folks, welcome to my How to What channel. Today I'm going to show you what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency worldwide system. Bitcoin is a new currency that was created in 2008 by an unknown person using name Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions are made with no middlemen, meaning, no banks. Bitcoin can be used to book hotels on Expedia and purpose of shop. But of the hype is about getting rich by trading it. The system enables payments to be sent between users without passing through a central authority, such as a bank or payment gateway. It is created and held electronically. Bitcoin can't be printed, like dollars or euros. They're produced by computers all around the world, using free software. Bitcoin can be bought on exchanges, or directly from other people marketplaces. Cash to credit and debit cards to wire transfers, or even with other cryptocurrencies, depending on who you are buying them from and where you live. Bitcoins are used to buy merchandise anonymously. International payments are easy and cheap because of Bitcoins are not tied to any country. Most of the small businesses like them because there is no credit card fees. Many of people just buy Bitcoins as an investment, hoping that they'll go up in value. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.